The cheetah is a mammal that is found in the grasslands of eastern and southern Africa. It is well known for being the fastest land mammal on Earth, able to reach speeds of up to 60 to 70 miles per hour. The cheetah uses its incredible speed to chase down its prey, including hares, wildebeest, and gazelles. Cheetahs are carnivores, which means they eat exclusively meat. These amazing animals weigh up to only 70 kilograms and are a maximum 2.5 meters in length. Cheetahs, like all mammals, have hair and are warm-blooded, meaning that they can keep their bodies at a constant temperature. Cheetahs have around 2,000 spots on their bodies, and they use this pattern to disguise themselves as they stalk their prey.